Hey everybody, it's me Namaisa. Today I'm gonna do a tutorial using mostly NYX Cosmetics products. So kind of a full face using NYX Cosmetics. I think I messed up already because I know I don't have any NYX lashes anymore. I always do my brows off of camera, but to let you know, I actually use the NYX Precision Brow Pencil in black. And I lightly filled in my brows. And then with a little bit of the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in, I believe, medium, I cleaned up the shape of my brow. Now, in case you're wondering, like, hey Namaisa, what the hell are you doing? Now, usually I would use a primer, to prep my eyes for eyeshadows and whatnot, but I don't have an actual NYX Cosmetics primer. I decided to use something else. This is such a mouthful. I'm using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in medium, and I'm patting that all over my eye. And it's way too light, but that's okay. It's gonna be covered anyway, so it's okay. So because this is a full face using NYX Cosmetics only, I'm going to use their new Grind palette of the Machinist Limited Edition collection. So I'm going to use this shadow first, right here. I'm going to apply this shade in my crease first. Oh, my back, Jesus. I'm getting old. I think I was about 18 when I did my first YouTube tutorial, and I'm 25 now. I know I'm not that old yet, but time flies. This is so freaking new to me, the fact that, everything that I'm holding is actually in frame. It's kind of bizarre. So of that same palette, I'm gonna take this shade right here. I'm going to apply that right above, that previous color and just blend it together. Well, not completely. I'm applying that right on the edge. Now I'm going to take this color right here again, and I'm going to apply that on the inner part of my lid. And I'm softly blending that in my crease a little bit so I don't have that, harsh line with the crease color. And of that same palette, I'm taking this shade right there. I'm going to pack that on the outer part of my lid, like so. Kind of in a V shape. And I'm also going to use this shade as a eyeliner. Just a soft, smoked out eyeliner. Connecting it with the top. With a pencil brush, I'm taking that same shade and I'm gonna apply that in my crease. Now I'm gonna go back in with that mustard yellow to reapply it a little bit more and to create a better blend with the rest of the eyeshadows. Now I'm taking this dark green again from the very beginning, and I'm applying that right underneath that eyeshadow I applied before underneath my lower lash line, and just blending that together with that top part. So I want to connect it. And with a makeup wipe, I'm going to clean up that line. There we go. And now with that same NYX palette, I'm taking this shade right here and I'm going to apply that underneath my lower lash line as well. I'm going to apply it right here, so on the inner part of my lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to foundation. I already prepped my skin. I have acne prone skin, so I had to use my products that my doctor prescribed to me. But of course, skincare is very, very personal, so you can fill that step in for yourself. Now for my foundation, of course, I'm going to use a NYX product. It's the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, and I'm using the shade Cappuccino. I'm gonna use a couple drops, well actually a lot. And then with a foundation brush by Nancy, I'm going to stipple that on my skin. I like this foundation very much. It feels light on the skin, but it does allow you to build up and give you more coverage than just sheer or medium. And then with the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in medium, I'm going to highlight my under eye area. But hopefully at the same time, I can adjust my foundation a little bit more. And with a beauty blender, I'm just going to buff that into my skin. Okay, that looks a lot better already. Robin,
yeah?
What do you think of the new setup? So how are you liking it?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
Robin helped me with my setup today in the living room. Now I'm going to set my face and I'm going to use the NYX SPFX setting powder, but because I don't have enough of it, I'm going to mix in a little bit of the Catrice Banana setting powder and just blend that together and use that to set my face. So I hope that's okay. But yeah, you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. So I'm gonna set it underneath my eye first, and I'm actually taking a large powder puff. Like, it really locks the makeup in place this way. Of course, you do not have to do this at all. You can also use a large powder brush and just, you know, softly apply some setting powder to your skin. But obviously this is what I prefer to do. So I'm going to let this set for about 3 minutes, and then I'm taking a large powder brush and I'm gonna wipe off the excess setting powder. And then I will be right back. Now to bronze and contour my face, I'm going to use the NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt Contour Powder, or Contour Trio. It's in the shade Deep, by the way, and I'm going to contour / bronze up my face. And I just like to contour my cheekbones in a very straight way, like a straight line, and then also my jawline. You know, and my forehead just a little bit. You know, the lines I create for my contour are very sharp because I have a chubby face, I have a big face, round face, and I don't want to emphasize that by creating a round contour. And for my blush, I'm going to use this NYX Ombre blush. It's called Feel the Heat, and I'm going to apply that on the apples of my cheeks for a little bit of color. I mean, my eyes are kind of like out there, but you know, I still want to bring some color back into my skin. Now I'm going to set my face or the skin. So I'm going to use the NYX setting spray, so the matte setting spray, and just douse my entire face. And then to highlight myself, I'm going to use the NYX Away We Glow Illuminating Powder in Shimmer Thrill. And I'm using this Sugar Pill Big Fluffy brush for that. And I'm just gonna apply that right there. Also on the tip of my nose. I could give myself a very nude lip and, you know, let the focus be on my eyes. But I wouldn't be Namaisa if I didn't ignore that, kind of. So I'm gonna go in with this lippy right here. It's also of the NYX Cosmetics Machinist collection. And I'm going to use this lip lacquer in the shade Grind. So there you go. I didn't even need a lip liner because it's so opaque. And that was it for the entire tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. So if you want to follow me on my social media pages, then all you have to do is type in Makeup by Namaisa on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you know whenever I'm uploading a new video. So yeah, that was it. Again, thank you all for watching, and until the next video. Bye!